onto this surface. So let's try that. So sketch, and this plane is in the way. It's stopping me from sketching on that surface. So there are a number of options that I could choose at this point. I could try and find this plane and hide it so it's not there, okay, but there may be other planes there, so that maybe that doesn't work. Instead, what I can do is hold the right mouse button down and choose Select Other. Now I have a little list here, and if I hover over where it says here Face of Split 2, I can actually pick that surface. It could be also, of course, that you could just rotate your work to another angle and pick it that way. So either method works. So now I've picked that, Face of Split 2, and if I press N on my keyboard, that's good. What I want to do now is add another circle. So let's choose the Circle tool, let's draw a circle, and then what I want to do is dimension this circle from my center point, like last time. Okay, so thinking about our measurements and what we want to add, this one needs to be 18.5 at the moment, don't worry. Then again, we'll do this from the center, remembering, of course, that if my measurements are wrong, I can always change them. Okay, and what I need to do is dimension my circle to be 7. So whilst that is now in the right place on this side, actually my circle is in the wrong place, according to my tutorial. Because if I spin my work round so that you can see, and now look at this tutorial here, you can see that this circle needs to be over here. So my measurements, this one and this one, are the wrong way round. So let me change this one to be 12.5. Let me change this one to be 18.5. Let's use N. Now that looks correct. Let's accept. If you remember before, we added a small round, small fillet onto that inner edge, so now those two miss. That's a good thing. So now our extrusion should work again. So let me position my work ready to extrude. My circle, 6 millimeters in the opposite direction, adding the material, so it goes, in this case, green, to my work, and I'm going to rename that as I've renamed my other one. I'm going to call this one Pin Connector 2. Okay, and while I'm there, I'm going to change my sketch name also. Okay, just to make life easier to find everything.